Tipra Mothani Doctor Adogroti Bubagra Shalkologrumi Delivo Tang Tomani Home Minister Amit Chabe Malene Bagai Koganka Tiprasa Accord 18-month Kawithanka implement India Tripartite Accord Ungmani implementation ni Bagai Shalkologrumino Bubagra Home Minister Amit Chabe Malene Bagai Delivo Tangmani Delivo Tongmani Paithago Tini Augusta ne Pula Shalmari Fashalo Malai Mankha Badha Kotoni Home Minister Amit Chabai O Malai Thinu Bubagra Logi Tongo Montri Bishoketo Debroma Tongo CEM Puranchandra Jamatia MLA Ranjit Debroma MLA Philip Kumar Riang MDC Chodagor Koloi MDC Devojit Tripura Tei Tongo Shalka Tripurani MP Maharani Kirti Singh Debroma Shalkolog Mashingmani Yagolo Tripartite Economic Koglam Shalaki Hani Babagra Baitang Facebook post Kalakya Boshaka Home Minister Amit Shah Tiprasa Eco Tripartite Eco no implement Klanai Obahini ensure Mankha Home Minister Amit Shah ni Bakakte Babagra Baitang Facebook Tei Klai Obno post Klaidaka Nainedi Kinimang Puliwa Khulumka Hasani Lukurangno Norgni Bagai Bilekino Kaham Sep to be Feka St. Joseph Hospital West Noabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura Hasane Fatara Thaya Karino Hayung Berni Shakdog Naikani Sep Nahari Mano Belekino Rankisha Bino O Hospital Sarbrumno General OPD wo Sakdog Najago O Hospital X-ray Ki Suti Cough Test Klayani Bagai Namoshak Shep Shap Tongo Te Test Klai Uzago O hospital hati bar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St. Joseph Hospital talburum na Chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai faidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok seb mana ni musung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokdung number 7085256702 tekise kokdung number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital: digital X-ray, ECG, and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham treatment ungo, operation facilities rock tongo, every month, Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo, Kubuni Hospital of Wngsinai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham treatment ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaiman Nani Bagai, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Kalaimano, Hambai.